All right, guys, here we are dropping off our parts at Miller Sandblasting. Hopefully they get them turned around quick for us. It's gonna cost about 250 bucks. Rainy day outside here in New York, so perfect time to get on this YFM80 engine rebuild. Man, she's looking a little bit rough, but I think if we pull these side covers off, both sides, sandblast those, paint them up, clean it up a little bit. I got a new top end with a timing chain, just like we did on Jay's YFM. So let's get it torn down, man. All right, first thing we gotta do is pull this shift lever off. Loosen that up with a 10 mil. Spread that over. There we go. And I think we're gonna go ahead and use the impact screwdriver. Couple of these bolts. These screws, get them off here. Here it is. One crusty side cover. This will sandblast pretty nice, paint it right up. She'll be good to go. A little bit of critter crap in there, but that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and pull this starter off too, just to get that out of the way. Help us clean up the rest of the engine. Ooh, nice. She's a wonder. Okay, next I want to try and get this drive shaft off there. There's two Phillips screws holding this boot on either side. There you have it. Let's get a good look at this cover before we get it all sandblasted, repainted. Not so bad. Take a look inside here, see what that looks like. All right, guys, let's get ready to take this top end off. In order to do that, we got to get in here to the timing chain. Take this timing cover off, take that sprocket off, and then we should be able to get the chain off. Looks like, ooh, in pretty good shape. Maybe I should just leave this alone, huh? I might not even have to do a top end here. Actually, we got 4 10s on top and 2 8s. Definitely a little bit of carbon buildup in there, but valves appear to be fully seated, so that's a good thing. Well, there's quite a ridge at the top, it looks like. Guess we can pull that head gasket out of the way. So actually looks really good so far. I mean, even this timing guide is still all in one piece, barely even like worn in. I mean, maybe that's a little bit too bendy, but it's not super bendy. Let's take a look at this other guide. Yeah, I mean, I'm probably just gonna reuse these and save the parts that I bought for another one. That doesn't look so bad at all. Let's see if we can get this jug off here. Might need a rubber mallet or something. Hopefully. Yep, pop right off. Okie dokie. Moment of truth. I mean, let's do a quick wipe down of this cylinder. Yeah, I mean, there's some pitting in there, but I mean, in the scheme of things, that's like really nice. I bet I can get a small ball hone for that. Dingleberry hone. And try and just put some cross hatching back in there. I don't know. That looks pretty dang good. I don't know that this even needs a top end, buddies. I think I'm gonna hone and bone it. But either way, awesome. We got the whole thing torn down, so now we know what we're up against here. Just gotta do some cleaning, some shining. We'll have this thing back together in no time. All right, guys, man, she's in a lot better shape than I thought. So I think I can get away with just doing a ball hone on the cylinder and slapping it back together with the OEM parts. I'll save those timing guides and the DID chain for the next Yamaha I pick up, right? There's plenty more to come. Put this thing back together, you won't even recognize it.